Hi friends, welcome to another cleaning video. This one is in collaboration with my friend Nester from NesterBug. If you have not checked out her channel, definitely head over there after you watch this and subscribe to her because you will love it. She does a lot of mommy videos, shopping hauls, and a lot of Dollar Tree hauls, which are so fun. You guys will absolutely love her channel and her. So definitely head over there and subscribe to her and like her videos because you will definitely like them. We're doing this collaboration because we both have cars we need to clean. Mine is very messy because I had a bunch of stuff in it to take to Goodwill, and I haven't taken it to Goodwill yet. But it was also messy because before that, we just got back from our beach trip, and when we take a long trip, it gets pretty messy in the car. Now, our third row seat was sitting down for a long time because we had so much stuff in the back of our car, and you will see how dirty and gross it gets when the third row seat gets up. So I'm apologizing in advance for the horribly messy car you're about to see. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and let's get right to the video.
I don't know the reasons, I'm not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, and they never disappear. I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. So
in the back of my car, you might see a ton of tools. My husband actually bought a bunch of stuff in bulk from, I think, Harbor Freight or something like that. And then also he just works on cars, his race car, and he is a construction worker. So there is a ton of tools and stuff like that in the back of my car. So that's something you will also see. Here is a super old picture of my mom and me from a long time ago. Gotta love the 80s.
I know it's not easy, I know we could dive into. We're not like the others, they do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you.
All of this came from the floor in my third row seat.
Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, cause you're the only
What's
thing
going on in my third row seat area. The floor is really dirty. This was actually jammed, like right in here with the third row seat was down, and it made some of it come out. This is bubbles, by the way, and it got hardened up here. Like the soapy stuff got hardened, so I'm gonna have to scrub the heck out of that. But other than that, I mean, it looks not too bad. It just needs good vacuuming and pick up some things that the vacuum can't pick up. So I will do that right now. Stuff out of here, and that definitely needs to get cleaned out. That's so gross.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. Where's the fun in doing what you're told? But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright. When we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la.
I haven't yet cleaned this off yet because I think it's going to take a lot of elbow grease, and I might have my husband help me with that. But the carpet is still pretty nasty, but it's way better. I vacuumed it up as good as I can, and this is all wiped up much better. So I think I'm going to have to do like the heavy duty stuff. It's probably going to have to be paid professional help to do it, because I don't think I have the tools to get it all cleaned up as good as it needs to be. So here is a spot on here, like chocolate, and then some other stuff from underneath Riley's car seat. So now I'm just going to scrub that off. All right, and this looks so much better. I got that off, and it looks so much better. There's still some crumbs that my vacuum didn't pick up. I'm going to have to use a different tool to vacuum that up, but it looks so much better, you guys. Oh my gosh, like this had stuff all over it, caked on it from like Riley throwing his bottles or whatever on there, but it looks so much better now. Yay! And then I also cleaned the doors because there was splattered on like dried up milk. Some of it didn't come off yet. I also probably wash it again, but it looks so much better too. I am so glad. My car smells good too, by the way, you guys. It smells amazing.
Read my eyes, do I want to stay? If you thought you weren't made that way, it's the choices we make. We give and take, and I know you will keep trying.
Said I think I know what you mean. Pretty good for a dumb machine. And you gave me that smile. We stood there for a while. That was when you woke me up. All this time I didn't know I had my heart on standby. That it is love that I am feeling inside. What it means to be a human.
All this time I've been a fool for not seeing you shine. I let my circus money say you'll be mine. You are the only one.
So much better. Jaden, say hi. Hi. I wiped all this down. There's still some stuff that the vacuum just wouldn't pick up, but hey, you guys, it looks so much better. You have to admit it looks so much better. All right, you guys, now here's the nastiness of the front. So that happens when you live in the Northwest. It just happens. Dirt, mud everywhere. So see, it's a little dirty. It needs to be vacuumed up because Penny's for got our tax papers right here. I gotta take inside. This all needs to get cleaned out. Oh, so gross. So gross. And just needs to get wiped down. And yeah, my keys are in the ignition. My husband just left them in there when he went to run an errand. But yeah, this needs to get cleaned up, so let's just get to it.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet. I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it. I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it. What you got yourself into. What you got yourself into. Come on, say something. I wanna hear your voice. Give it all or nothing. The moment's getting lost. Ain't no time we're stopping. So show me what you need. I know that you want it, but what you got yourself into. What you got yourself into.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this cleaning collab of cleaning our cars. Thank you NesterBug for doing this collaboration with me. I appreciate your patience with me too, because I know it took a few extra days than planned. Life got hectic, and yeah, who really wants to clean their car? So it was definitely needed though, as you can obviously tell. Now I'm going to take those bags that were back there again. I'm gonna take them over to Goodwill right now with my boys, and yeah, then I'm gonna go to Costco and eventually do a Costco haul for you guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet, definitely like, share, and subscribe. And after you watch this video, make sure you go over to NesterBug's channel and subscribe back to her and watch her videos, because she's an awesome YouTuber. She has mommy videos, she does hauls, and she loves her Dollar Tree, and don't we all? So you will definitely love her channel, you guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you NesterBug again, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye!
Bye.